Hi everyone, this is Malvika from AIB. In today's video, I will be giving the demo of how can we make changes in the alignment of the category labels in the category axis in the dashboard in AIB. So let's get started. Now for making changes to the alignment of the category labels, we will first of all click on the chart component in the widget panel. And the data set here I'll keep as sales.ds. Category axis I'll keep as country. Value column I'll keep as extended price, and aggregation I'll keep as sum, and I'll click on save and exit. So you'll see that we have successfully created this chart. Now we'll see how can we make changes to the alignment of these labels on the category axis. So for that we'll click on the edit option of the chart widget, and then we will go to formatting. In formatting I'll go to category axis, and in category axis I'll expand category labels. Now category labels, you can see first of all we have the option of disabling the labels. So if I wish, I can disable them also. So you can see the labels have been disabled, and I can also enable them like this. Now the alignment, we have different options in the alignment, like if you want to select rotate 90, so you'll see that in rotate 90 the labels will appear like this, and rotate 45, so they'll appear like this. Then we have multiple rows. In multiple rows, the labels will appear like this. Wrap. So wrap, they'll appear like this. Trim, they'll appear trimmed like this. And then we have height. So in height, they'll appear like this. Then if alignment, we select none, and the rotation I'll make say 40 over here. So in that case, the alignment will look like this. And if in case I enable the truncate option, you'll see the labels will appear like this. And now coming to the label placement option, now it depends, like here you have an option of where do you want to place the labels, between the ticks, on the ticks. So here we have them between the ticks. So these are the ticks, and in between the ticks the labels are placed. Now if you want to make them on ticks, so you'll see that the labels are placed on ticks like this. So now we can also disable the truncate and make the rotation as 45. So, and label placement will make between ticks, and you'll see that the labels will appear like this. And I'll click on save and exit. So this is how you can make changes to the alignment of the labels on the category axis in a widget in the dashboard in AIB. I hope you liked my today's video. If you liked it, please like, share, subscribe and comment in the section below. If you have any specific questions, please mail us at support@aivhub.com, or you can also visit our website, that is www.aivhub.com. Thank you.